Hey all and welcome back to Annakona's kitchen. So today's recipe is a sweet recipe which is coconut jaggery roti. So without wasting any time, let's get started and check out the recipe. So first, to make the batter, take 1 cup of urad dal and then add 2 cups of rice. So next, into this pour water and let this soak for about 3 hours. So after 3 hours, let's blend this well. Into the blending jar, add the soaked urad dal and rice. So now blend this well. And this is how it looks. So now our batter is ready. Next, into this add 1 cup of fresh grated coconut and then add 1 cup of jaggery. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt. So now blend all the ingredients together. So now our batter is ready. Let's transfer this into a bowl. Now turn on the stove, place the pan and into this pour oil. So pour about 1 tablespoon of oil. And once the oil is hot, into this add 1 big spoon of the batter. So you just need to make this like a pancake. You can make it of any size you want. So now cover it up with a plate. Keep the flame on medium-low and let this cook for about 5 minutes and then take off the plate. So now it's time to flip the roti. So be gentle when you're flipping this, sometimes it might break. And once you see that your roti has turned into golden brown color, then it's time to take it out. So now let's transfer this into the serving plate. So now let's make the other one. Just follow the same steps what we have done before. So this roti is very simple and easy to make. Do try this at home. So there you go. The very simple and tasty coconut jaggery roti is ready. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.